So this is a Wysong and Miles number 284 Chisel Mortiser. 5 horsepower, currently wired for 230 volt 3-phase power. As you can tell, it does have a power feed. If you step down, that's gonna be momentary. Let's start it back up. So if you just push down, you're controlling it manually. There's your cruise control right there. I mean, it's just counterweighted. Really simple to operate. You do have your 2 hold downs, which are pretty critical. This was brazed, but that braze looks like it's older than many of us. Your fence adjustment, so this back fence is adjusted here with the same height handle that you adjust your whole assembly with. Both your end stops, left and right, run on a T-track along with your hold down. So those can be adjusted. Obviously, if you just saw, this is going to move your table left to right. You do have some stops, a stop fence on the back. This is for in and out, so this is going to push that table forward or back. Kind of hard to tell, but right now I'm moving the whole table and fence assembly rearward. If we go underneath, you can also see that it does angle. And again, this is your overall height adjustment for that whole table. If we go around back, the only other repair, and we actually did this repair. We did repair your main shaft here. What we did was we pinned it and boxed it so it will never break. It did have a crack in it. So what we did is we took 2 L channels around both sides. We pinned through and then we welded it so it is better than new. To change speeds, you simply hit the foot pedal, which is going to lift up the motor and enable you to move your belt onto the pulley to get to your desired speed. These machines are getting harder and harder to find. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.